Yes. Pesca, 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 mi hermano. Pesca, pesca, mi amigo. Pesca, pesca, pesca. I hope it's a keeper. I hope it's a keeper. Fish on. All right. All right, my baby. All right. It's a keeper. Yeah, it is a keeper. Bring the tape measure. Look at that one, guys. Awesome fish. Maybe 17.
Oh, 17 and a half.
Yeah, 17 and a half.
Yep.
Great. It goes back to the water. Hey. First striper of the season. Okay. Look at, guys, it's so beautiful. 17 and a half. Great catching. Beautiful. It's gonna go back to the water. Go get me your great grandpa, okay? Yeah. Striper. I just released it. 17 and a half. Beautiful catch. Can't complain. Okay. Hey, good morning, guys. This is Jose Orellana, Viajeros Sin Fronteras. I hope you had an amazing fishing day. I'm back in Sacramento, Discovery Park. It's been pretty good this morning. It's been hot. It's day biting. I got my first one already. And hey, guys, that's awesome. They start running already for 2 weeks. They've been running. So the bait is bloodworm today, and also pile worms. That's the bait that we are using right now. So I'm gonna show you. People been catching some fish already, so I'm gonna record the fish and show it to you guys. So bear with me, guys.
¿Dónde se peló el viajero?
Aquí estamos, viejo. Mira que acaba de agarrar este.
¿Ahorita los chingó ese?
Ahorita lo chingó. Look at, guys. I not BS with you guys. 22 inches, nice striper. El que agarró aquí mi amigazo. Beautiful striper. So, bear with me, guys. I'm gonna show you another one. Awesome fish. Gracias, amigo. Sigues el otro. See this one? This is an awesome fish. What about this one, huh? See, guys? Beautiful. Awesome striper. Okay, nice. This is the best of Sacramento. 29 inches. Nice cut with pile worms and also bloodworms. That's what we are using today. So it's been pretty good. Okay, so I see so far 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fish this morning. Nice. Woo. Nice ceviche.
Yeah.
Nice ceviche. Perfect.
Perfect, huh?
Have you guys go fishing into
Sherman Island?
Pesca, 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 amigos. Aquí mi amigo, he got one little baby. Okay. He got little baby. Well, ya lo agarró. Ahí está. Look at this one, guys. Beautiful, beautiful striper. Nice. Bear with me, guys. Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, man. Happy you guys catch us, son. Hey, look at this. Film me.
Yes,
What is
sir.
this, 21?
I think it's like 21, 22.
Yeah, that's awesome. Look at guys.
Nice
This is
one.
what I'm talking about, guys. Nice fish. Here at the Sacramento River, Brotherly Park, bros. You guys are welcome here. Spend the night.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, bro.
No problem, man. Thank you, bro.
Yeah. I'm happy for you guys. I got 117 and a half.
That was 18 right there. Both of those are 18ers.
Look at this one, guys. 80. Nice, nice stripers. Guys, beautiful. Okay. This is 18. Let's see the other one. I'm happy. I'm glad. Oh, yeah. All right. Look at this one. Pure fresh fish right now. Awesome. Can be better than this, guys. I'm telling you.
Pull that thing out, fool. I'll keep it right there.
Ooh. Yeah. That's a nice fish.
Okay, let's go. Let's go put it on the stringer. Come on. Let's go. Hurry. See if we got to keep it.
Small, dude.
Oh, this is a 25, fool.
Nah.
25!
20.
Pesca, 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 mi hermano. Pesca, 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 mi hermano.
Fichón, fichón.
Pesca, pesca.
There you go. There you go.
Ahí está.
Ahí está lo que no había. Mire. Pues su chingada madre. Se le fue hasta la pata. Hasta
Vamos a ver qué es. Sí es. Sí es. Pesca, 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 mi hermano. Pesca, pesca, pesca. Pesca, 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 mi hermano. Fichón, fichón, caminado. Primo, primo, pesca, pesca. Uy, otro keeper, otro keeper.
¡ay, hijo de la chingada!
Te digo, viejón. Te digo.
Hijo de la que dije, ahí está puesto el hijo de la chingada. Ahí.
Ahí está. Copa. Y nomás. Viene, copa. Ah, puta madre. Ah. Ahí está, compa. Y nomás.
Mira, ¿dónde viene la fereta? Mira.
Sí.
Hijo de su puta madre.
Pesca, pesca, mi hermano. Pesca, 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 mi hermano. Uy, uy, uy. Pesca, fichón, fichón, caminado. Fichón, caminado, my friend. Look at it, guys.
Esta también tiene, mira.
¿Ah?
Esta también tiene.
¿También?
No,
No, no
la
tiene.
mía.
Sí, es esa. Ahí está, ahí está. Está chiquillo, está chiquillo. Oh, it's a small baby. Yeah. Es un baby.
Es un baby.
Yeah,
Es un baby. Baby release.
yeah. Catch and release, guys. It's a little baby, 12 inches. Okay. We catch another fish. Before we leave, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Okay? I'm gonna show it. Because it's awesome. It's awesome fish.
Mira.
Look at 18. 18, 19 inches, okay? Awesome fish. We just were picking it up and this guy came out. We didn't notice. That's how good is fishing here in Sacramento River. All right? Yoo-hoo! Vámonos! Let's go! Hey, thank you very much, guys, for watching my videos. I know you have a choice, but you choose to watch El Viajero Sin Fronteras. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for subscribing my channel. And here I am again tomorrow. We're going to be doing another day of fishing. 12 hours today. Or almost 13 hours. From 6 to 6:30. 6 in the morning, 6:30 in the afternoon. I'm leaving and going home. Somebody must be angry. I don't even know how I'm gonna tell her. All right. I mean, this weekend I went to the Ghost Bay Fishing Bay and Taco, and I bought me a bottle pan with the bottle for 5,000. So today I was using this. It's pretty good fishing. It's about 8 feet long, and I got like 75 pounds of line. So I just want to say thank you for watching the video. Thank you for being fishing with me today. And I will show you what happened today at the river. So when you come, you guys gonna see this, okay? Because it's been pretty good. Pretty good. I can't complain. This has been awesome. Very good fishing day. I catch one, and I want to say thank you to all of you guys for being with me here at the beach of Brotherly Park. Okay, so you can see the green bridge over there. Okay, nice. The weather, it was nice. It's not hot. It was perfectly well done weather. So I hope I see you soon. And also, don't forget, give me a like and comments. See how you see the beach, how you see the river now. It's kind of low right now. It's low. The water is very low. And if you're gonna be here fishing, it's gonna be in the morning. In the morning, try to bring pile worms and bloodworms. Those are the ones that are working right now. Pile worms. A lot of people were using pile worms, and they've been catching it. So, see you in the next video. This is the catch of today, guys. So not bad. 22 inches. It's perfect stripers. I catch it with the bloodworm today. So it's been awesome. Okay, guys. This is the fish of today. Pretty good. So 22 inches each. It's awesome. I've been caught. I think I got few. I put the other ones in the water. I think I catch 4, but I released them. So this is it. Awesome fish. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and bear with me. Okay, and I hope that you share this video and give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and enjoy this video for you.